Today, let us solve one more problem on hexagonal prism placed with a cone. It's problem number 11 in your question bank. Go to inside polygon. I'll show once again. It is go to application, macros. Under that select run macro. Which you will get inside polygon option. There you can enter the flat length as the edge length itself. Edge length of the square is hexagon is 40 mm. And number of sides is 6 for a hexagon. Apply relationship. Minimize. And just if you click the mouse, you will get the hexagon with edge position. Construct a boundary for the hexagon. So now we have drawn a boundary to the hexagon. Let us trim off the unwanted portion. Measure this boundary size using smart option. Measure all the required dimensions of the boundary. Now draw one horizontal reference line. So the same boundary now let us draw in isometric view at an angle of 30 degree.
69.28 one side.
It is 69.28 one side. And angle is 30 degree. Another side the length is 80 and angle you are supposed to give it as 150. Draw parallel line to the first line which is 69.29 and angle is minus 150. Now consider the dimensions of the boundary. Go to arc by center point and with a distance of 64.64 let us cut an arc. 34.64. On the side the distance is 20.
34.
Okay. Once again let us cut an arc for the same distance 34.64. From here now let us cut an arc of 20 mm. Again from this point also let us cut an arc of 20 mm. Now we got the 6 points of the hexagon. Let us join these points with a thick line. Now hexagon base is ready. Height of the hexagonal prism is 60 mm. Let us raise a height by 60 mm from all the 6 corners. We have raised the height by 60 mm from all the 6 corners of the hexagon. Join these points to complete the hexagonal prism. Now hexagonal prism is ready. On the top of the hexagonal prism, now we are supposed to place a cone. For that, let us prepare by trimming off the unwanted portions of the base solid. Unwanted lines are being trimmed off. So cone, let us draw it separately, then we will move that cone to the center point of the hexagon. For drawing the cone, we will be using 4 arc method. Cone size is, base dimension is 40 mm and height is 50 mm. For base, we are supposed to draw a line for a length of 40 at an angle of 30. Next 40 and 150, 40 and minus 150, okay. Let us go for 4 arc method to draw the cone. Place it at the exactly center point of the line. Similarly, opposite edge, center point. From this corner, draw a line to the center point of the opposite edge. Again, one more line from the same corner to the center of the opposite edge. Next, go to arc by center point. With this as center and this one as radius, draw a arc. Similarly, consider this corner and this as radius, draw one more arc. Now wherever these two lines intersect, from this intersection point as center and this one as radius, draw one more arc. This is the third arc. Last 4th arc is from this corner or from this intersection point, you are supposed to draw one arc. So cone base is ready. Let us identify the center point of the cone. From here, let us raise the height by 50 mm. Angle is 90. Draw one tangential line to the cone base. One more tangential line. Select this cone. Visible portion of the cone is being selected. Let us darken it. Unwanted portions or invisible portion, let us trim it off, or you can retain as thin line. Identify the center point of the hexagonal prism. Now select the cone. And go to move option so that we can move it to the required position. Move such that the center point of the cone and center point of the hexagon should match. Now the hexagon placed with the cone is ready. Select the entire combination of the solid and go to scale so that we can reduce it to the isometric scale with a factor of 0.8164. Now it has reduced to the scale. Just click it, you will get the combination of cone placed on a prism in isometric scale. And show the inclination as 30 degree. It is compulsory. Other dimensions need not be shown. Thank you.